नमस्कार दर्शकबिन, सूर्य वेलनेस एन्ड योगा सेन्टर र भक्ति दर्शन टेलिभिजनको संयुक्त प्रस्तुति अरुणोदय योगामा यहाँहरूलाई हार्दिक स्वागत गर्दछु। आज हामी अरुणोदय योगाको 9औं भागमा आइसकेका छौँ। यो 9औं भागलाई हामीले बाहिर नगरकोटको एउटा रमणीय स्थलमा छायाङ्कन गरेका छौँ। अब भने लागौँ योगातर्फ।
Namaste. Welcome in continuation to the previous two episodes. After going through the first two episodes and adding this episode's practice, you will reach or get a set of practice for your daily yoga abhyas. So this set of practice in sitting position we will handle or do with this program or this episode. Before doing our practice, as usual, after being aware of the body and breath, we'll start with prayer. One time, sense your whole body, head, neck, hands, trunk, legs. After sensing the body, reach out to your breath, inhalation, exhalation. And prepare your mind for the practices ahead. First, Gayatri Mantra for 2 times. You could join a palm or you could keep palm around your knees wherever you are more comfortable. If you know the mantra, try to chant it. If you're not aware of the mantra, try to listen it. And even if you chant, you should try to listen your own voice. Get ready. Om Bhurabhuva Swaha Om Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurabhuva Swaha Om Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Take a breath deep in, and while exhaling, gently open up your eyes. Open up your legs. Spread the legs. Take your hands back. Be at ease for some time before starting our practice. With the sitting practice, the first position that we should do should be the staff pose. Get ready for that. Legs must be closed, toe, heels touching each other. Staff pose or dandasana. Palm by the side of the hip on the ground, back straight, chin slightly down and the legs stretched. Simply hold the position for some time. The fundamentals or the rules of the practice: one should be close to it, legs stretched, hands straight, close with the body, back straight. Body not to lean backward, it could lean forward to some extent, it's fine. And after holding position for some time, sense the breath. Inhalation and exhalation is happening with natural abdominal contraction. The abdominal contraction is the effect which we all sought from these yogic practices. After doing practice for considerable amount of time, natural abdominal contraction will stay with the body all the time. The position is hugely working around the lower back area, pelvic region, whole of the legs, hands, getting them ready for the further sitting practices. You could hold this position initially for 30 seconds time and further a minute to 3 minutes time. And after sitting or ending of one position, we should take rest. Loose up the stretch from the legs, take your heels slightly back. Take your hands back, spread the legs and be at ease for some time and let the body absorb the effects for some seconds. The next position that we will do, the name of the position is Rajju Karshanasana. Again, it works similarly on the legs, trunk, hands, neck. But the subtle effect of the practice is improvement in your concentration, as we will keep gaze around our thumb with the posture. Get ready for the practice. Legs, both of them close. Palm by the side of the hip. Now close your fist, keeping your thumb outside and keep it above your knee cap, back straight. And gradually raise your right hand up towards the sky. Stretch hand up as much as possible and look towards your thumb or thumbnail for some time, sensing abdominal contraction and sensing the different experiences of the components of the body. Hands, the free hand must also be stressed. The moment you feel pain around the neck, drop head and again gaze towards your thumb. If you're fine, stay for at least 30 seconds time in this position of Rajju Karshanasana. Great effect on the quadruple muscle with the stretch of the legs. 10 seconds more. Gradually drop your right hand back towards your right knee. Body must not lean backward with the position. It could lean forward to some extent or keep it straight. Practice towards the other side. Back straight, legs stretched, closed fist above kneecap, thumb outside. Gradually, your left hand up towards the sky. Stretch left hand, each joint upward as much as possible. Create maximum possible abdominal contraction. Legs stretched. And practice always to be done within the limit of body. With the moments of restlessness, get back, take rest and again try not to give your body unwanted or unnecessary pain. If you're fine, stay with the gaze around your thumbnail and connection with breath to whatever extent possible. Just some time. Gradually drop left hand back. Spread the legs. Take your hands back and be at ease for some time, letting the body absorb the effects of the previous attempt for some time. One should never feel that while we are resting, we are not into the practice. Rest is also part of the practice. Keep this in mind. Get ready for the next position, which will work hugely around the shoulders and has the great potential to release all the stress and pain from the body if you could hold it for 2 to 3 minutes in a stretch. If you are coming out of some big journey and you are at home feeling much tired, try it out and feel what it does on the body. It will release maximum volume of internal contractions and maximum volume of stress from the body. The name of the position is Gomukh Asana or cow face pose. First, the preparatory position, Dandasana or staff pose. Then fold left leg after taking your left heel slightly back. Create a gap of around 8 inches between back of the knee and the ground. And then move your right leg towards the left side, the hip from under the left leg, and right leg towards the right side. Both the knees as much close as possible. Position of the palm, place it over your foot, and after pressing your foot, back straight. Spinal column straight as much as possible. Natural abdominal contraction because of the posture. Now, we'll get ahead towards the Baddha Gomukhasana position, where we will lock our palm towards the back. First, take your left hand towards the back. Right hand, raise them up. After stretching right hand as much as possible, try to join your palm towards your back as much as you could do. Initially, you might reach out to the perfect position. Do to whatever extent your body could do at this point of time. And stay for some time over here. And your mental journey towards the different joints of the hand, the shoulder joint, elbows, wrist, the joints around the fingers of your palm. Pay attention to the upper back region, neck, back of the head. With the holding time increasing and with the legs folded, huge happening is going on around the pelvic region. Keep traveling inwards while you hold the position. To release, the same reverse path to be followed. First, release right hand up and take it back on the same reverse path towards your left foot. And release your left hand, left leg, right leg. The same practice to be done towards the other side. Sit in Dandasana. Fold right leg. Move left leg towards the right side, the hip. Right leg, left side, both the knees close. Palm, pressing the foot, back straight. Abdomen naturally contracted. The practice towards the other side. Right hand this time first towards the back. Left hand up. And after stretching it, try to join your palm towards your back as much as possible. The fingers of your palm locked. Initially, you might not reach, you might be like this. So stay over here for some time. Naturally, it will happen to you. But if you could grab the fingers of the left palm through the right palm, grab it, and then keeping gaze towards the front, around some point, stay still. You could close your eyes. You could sense the body breathing. And keeping track of the breath, you could easily enter inside of the body, collecting the experiences of the right and the left shoulder joint and the whole of the shoulder region, the joints around elbows, wrist, palm. And with the holding time increasing, the reach of the position is the whole body. Just some time. To club the position with breath is very, very important. Initially, you might not reach, but whenever you are holding position, try to stay with the breath majority of the time. To get back, the same reverse path to be followed. First, unlock palm, raise left hand up. And on the same reverse path, take it back. Release right hand, right leg, left leg. Spread your legs, take your hands back and take rest for some time. Body at total ease. Next, position. The name of the position is Paschimottanasana. The different variations of it. So get ready for the practice of Paschimottanasana. The position works hugely around the abdominal region. People who are worried of their weight, they could get the benefits hugely by trying this position. But to burn the unwanted fats or to get the body back into the shape, should stay for a little longer time with the practice. At least if you could spend 15-20 minutes with the practice in small stretches of 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes, huge effect will come on the body. Get ready. Sit in Dandasana. Change the position of the palm. Keep your palm just by the side or around your knees on the ground. Raise both hands up. And after stretching hand back, slowly come forward. Palm, if possible, ahead of the foot. Elbows towards the side. And with exhalation, gradual head getting close with the knees. As much close as possible. Initially, reaching out for the final or perfection or perfect position will be difficult. Do it within the limit of the body. Even if you are here, no problem. But to connect the posture with breath is very important. Go on sensing abdominal contraction as much as possible while you exhale with the posture. And then naturally you will get ahead. Body will not come forward to the extent you are trying by moving it time and again, but it could come easy for you while you club the position with your inhalation and with your exhalation. Especially contraction of abdomen with exhalation is sought with the practice. Hold it for a minute time at least. And while you hold the position, go on traveling around the back, stretched legs, neck, both hands, back of the head, and with the holding time increasing, you could sense the position is working hugely on every component of the body. Initially, keeping legs straight might be difficult. So around that time, you could bend your knees to some extent like this, grab toe and get ahead. And gradually try to straighten the leg as much as you could do. The options for the hands are many while you hold the position. Either you could grab toe, elbows towards the ground or elbows towards the side. All options are right. Initially, stick with any one variation and go on trying for perfection of this position of Paschimottanasana. Swami Swatmaram Nand Swatmaram in his Hatha Yoga Pradipika has also suggested about this posture of Paschimottanasana. We all in the yogic arena know that Swami Swatmaram has given details of only 15 practices in his most authentic text. The Paschimottanasana is one of them. To release the position, same reverse path, head, hands upward towards the sky. And after stretching hand, gradually drop it back towards the ground. Spread the legs, spread the hands and take rest for some time in the sitting position. Body at total ease, head drop towards the back. So as we are continuing with the set of practice over the 3 episodes, so after ending or around the point where you want to end your practice, compulsory, you should try to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Practicing the awareness of the different components of the body. Let us try to learn what to do and how to do around that time. Lie down on your back, spread legs, hands, take rest. Body at total ease. Soles drop towards the side, hands spread, palm facing the sky, body completely loose. After sensing your right leg, shift your awareness towards your left leg to feel your left foot, ankle joint, calf muscle, left knee, left thigh. And at this point of time, just feel each time you are exhaling, great relaxation and easiness is covering your legs. Right leg, left leg, just sense it. Now shift your focus or attention towards the abdominal rise and fall happening because of your breath. Attention shifted towards your lungs. Simply feel the natural expansion and contraction of your lungs while the body inhale and while the body exhale. Now your attention shifted towards your back. Simply feel the lower back, upper back, and the whole length of spinal column from the lowest point till the back of your head. And try to connect your awareness of the back with your exhalation. And sense each time you exhale the gradual easiness spreading all around your back. And your attention shifted towards your hands. Right hand. Simply feel your right hand from the right shoulder joint up to the right palm. Left hand from the left shoulder joint up to the left palm. And then your awareness of the neck in its complete circumference. Feel front part of the neck, back, right and the left side. And then your attention towards your face. Simply sense your forehead, eyes, ears, nostrils, and your mouth. And feel the great easiness covering the whole body from the top of head till the tip of your toe. Just be at ease. Now we are towards the end of this session, and we will end the session with the chanting of Om for 3 times. Make up your mind to release this lying down position and gradually wake up and sit up. Sit comfortably, keeping your back straight, hands at rest, body loose, but spinal column straight, chin down, and your eyes gently closed. After sitting comfortably for some time, make up your mind to chant Om for 3 times. Chant Om the way it is coming from our inside. followed by an inhalation each time. Get ready. Inhale and chant Om. Silence for some time. Then take a breath deep in, and while exhaling, gently open up your eyes. Thank you so much. This much for this episode. Stay tuned for the further episodes and the journey of yoga with the program called as Arunodaya Yoga on the Bhakti Darshan channel. Thank you so much.
धन्यवाद दर्शकबिन। आज हामीले तपाईहरूलाई अरुणोदय योगाको 9औं भाग प्रस्तुत गरेका थियौं र यो 9औं भागलाई हामीले नगरकोटको एउटा रमणीय स्थलमा छायाङ्कन गरेका थियौं। तपाईहरूले टेलिभिजन हेरेर साथ दिइराख्नु भएको छ, धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। यसरी नै योगाका विभिन्न आसनहरू अरू संस्करणमा पनि हामी यहाँहरूलाई प्रस्तुत गर्ने नै छौं र सधैँ जस्तै आजका हाम्रा योग गुरु हुनुहुन्थ्यो विशाल सर, उहाँलाई पनि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। र यो 9औं संस्करणलाई पनि यहाँहरूले भक्ति दर्शन टेलिभिजनको युट्युब च्यानल मार्फत हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। टेलिभिजन हेर्दै गर्नुहोला। नमस्कार।